Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the CapCut application is not opening or launching on your Windows 11 computer. So, let's get started. First, head over to your Start menu and search for CapCut. Once you see the app, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes, this alone can fix the issue. If that doesn't work, open Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Apps. Then go into Installed Apps. Now, find CapCut in the list. You can either scroll down or use the search bar. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall, then Confirm. After uninstalling, you'll need to reinstall CapCut. If you originally downloaded it from a browser, I recommend installing it from the Microsoft Store this time. So open the Microsoft Store, search for CapCut, and click Install. But if you originally installed it from the Microsoft Store, then do the opposite, go to the official CapCut website, download the installer, and install it from there. Once CapCut is reinstalled, we need to check your firewall settings. Press Win+R, type control firewall.cpl. Then click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings, scroll down, and try to find CapCut in the list. If it's there, make sure both private and public are checked. If you don't see it, click on Allow another app, then Browse, and locate the CapCut application file. Select it, add it to the list, and again make sure both options are checked. Now click OK to save everything. Finally, if the issue still isn't fixed, there's one last thing you can try. Open Settings again, and go to System. Scroll down and find Optional Features. Click on View Features, and search for Media Feature Pack. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and install it. This is required for some media apps like CapCut to run properly. Once that's done, try launching CapCut again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the issue for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.